So sometimes you might turn up to a dive site and you get given a BCD, or you take your BCD out of your bag, and you may find the rear cam buckle, which holds your cylinder in place, looks a bit like this. It's come apart, or someone's taken it apart. Now, I've seen over the years people on dive sites getting quite frustrated with putting these things back together, and it really is super simple. First thing you need to do is actually click open the cam buckle if it's been closed, and then take the end of your cam band and take it through the gap between the cam band and the buckle. Then push the webbing through the middle slot, and you should then have a second slot available going back on yourself. So it's a bit like the rabbit going around the tree trunk before it goes back down its hole. And then you take it back through, and all it's done is it's looped through on the cam buckle. That then gives you the opportunity to pull it tight up against the cylinder, close it off about halfway so it's a bit of tension, and then what you can do is feed it through, snap it shut, and then that should hold it in place on your cylinder. Just remember to give it a bit of a shake, make sure there's no slippage, because what you don't want is a cylinder slipping down your back when you're on a dive. Fitting the BCD to the cylinder should ensure that it's secure and the cam bands are tight. Slide the band straps over the cylinder and position the back plate or backpack so that it's square to the cylinder valve. You can adjust the bands a little tighter before adjusting the BCD to the correct height which suits you most. With one hand you can then tension the first band if you have to, so that it's pinching onto the cylinder. You can then let go with the other hand and fully tension the cam band and snapping shut the buckle. If you have a second cam band, then it's just a simple case of repeat the previous steps. This should secure the cam band solidly to the cylinder. It also gives you the opportunity to pick up the assembly by the backpack handle and give it a bit of a shake to ensure there's no slippage.